Hi everyone, I am Prachi Agarwal. Welcome to our channel Learn Competitive Programming with CodeChef. If you are interested in competitive programming and want to learn and master data structures and algorithms, then this is a one-stop destination for you. Every week we'll post CodeChef problem explanations, conceptual videos on various programming paradigms, and also conduct live problem-solving sessions. But before we actually get started, here's a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Great! Now that you have subscribed, let's get started. Today we'll be solving the problem Dinner by Candlelight, which is an easy problem and the prerequisites are observations. So without wasting any time, let us go to the problem statement. So in this problem statement, chef wants to have candlelight dinner with his girlfriend at his place. But for having a candlelight dinner, we need candles, right? And a lot of candles. But it is given that chef has only one candle with him, which is lighted up. And that is there at time t equals to 0 seconds. So at 0 seconds, the chef has just one candle which is lighted up. Now, how will he light up other candles? So he does not have any matchsticks. There are no matchsticks left with the chef. So he will have to use this one lighted up candle only to light up some other candles. And how many candles can he light up? So he has infinite number of candles. And now it will depend on a particular strategy that chef will follow, that how many candles will he be able to light up until his girlfriend arrives. So the conditions that are given here is that every time chef can pick up one lighted up candle and he can light up X other candles in 1 second. So you see what is given? That each time, that is, suppose that at time t equals to 0, he picks up the only one candle that he had to light up X other candles in 1 second. So suppose we take X equals to 4. So at t equals to 0, chef will pick up this one candle which was already lighted up and he will light up X other candles, means 4 other candles. So now he will have a total of 5 candles which are lighted up. Now again what he can do is that he can pick up any one of the candles from here and light up X other candles, means 4 more candles. So again 5 plus 4, there will be 9 candles that will be lighted up, and so on. This way it will keep on going until a particular time when the chef's girlfriend arrives. Now there is one more thing, that the candle will extinguish at some point of time. So the candle does not have a wax that is infinite. It will get extinguished at a particular moment. So for that we are given that exactly after y seconds of being light up, the candles will get extinguished. So take it this way, that suppose at t equals to 1 second, a particular candle was lighted up. Say suppose here I already showed you that 4 candles were lighted up at t equals to 1 second. And let us take y equals to 3. Means we are saying that after every 3 seconds, the candles will get extinguished from the time that they were lighted up. So at t equals to 1 second, the candles were lit up. After 1 plus 3, meaning at the 4th second, all these 4 candles will get extinguished. At the 4th second, all these 4 candles will get extinguished because it is given that after every 3 seconds, the candles will get extinguished from the time that they were lit up. So this also the chef will have to keep in mind when he at last counts that how many candles finally he has which are lit up. And it is given that at time equals to t seconds, the chef's girlfriend will arrive. So what do we need to find out is that at the end of t seconds, how many candles are left with chef which are lit up. The maximum number of candles he can light up in time t equals to t seconds. So it means that we have to find out how many candles at the end are there left which will be lit up at the end of t seconds. So how do we solve this problem? So guys, now let us talk in terms of an example so that we can understand what is going on in the problem, and then we'll be able to find a particular solution. So we have taken t equals to 5. It means that chef's girlfriend will arrive at t equals to 5 seconds. So he has 5 seconds to light up as many candles possible as he can. Then y is equals to 3, means at the end of every 3 seconds, the candles will get extinguished from the time that they were light up. And x is equals to 4. That means every second, chef can use some other lighted up candle to light up 4 other candles. So let us start. So initially we know that at time t equals to 0 seconds, chef had only one candle which was lit up, and he could use this one candle to light up even other candles, means 4 candles every second could be lit up by chef by using any other lighted up candle. So let us follow that here. At 0th second, chef will pick up this lighted up candle and he will light up 4 other candles. So at the end of 1 second, chef will have 1 plus 4 equals to 5 lighted up candles. Then again, for the first second, chef will pick up another lighted up candle and he will light up 4 other candles. So at the end of second, chef will have 5 plus 4 equals to 9 lighted up candles. Now at the end of second, again he will pick up one lighted up candle and light up 4 other candles. So same way, at the end of third second, again we will add 4 candles to the already existing lighted up candles. So 9 plus 4 gives us 13 candles. Now here at this point of time, we will also have to see the fact that it is y equals to 3 seconds, and we did say that after every 3 seconds, we are supposed to extinguish all the candles that were lighted up before 3 seconds. So all the candles that were lighted up at the 0th second will be extinguished at the end of 3 seconds. So definitely we'll have to do -1 here, because this first candle was lighted up at 0th second and 0 plus 3 equals to 3. So at the end of 3 seconds, this candle will get extinguished. So we will have a total of 12 candles left here. Now at the 4th second, again some candles will get extinguished. So we have 12 candles here. We have 12 candles at the end of 3rd second, and 4 candles will be lighted up because we have 12 candles already which are lighted up. So we can pick any one candle and we can light up 4 other candles. Now which are the candles that will be extinguished here? So 1 plus 3 equals to 4, right? Which means that all those candles which were lighted up at the 1st second will get extinguished at the 4th second, because after every 3 seconds we are also supposed to extinguish some of the candles. So at the end of 1st second, we had 4 candles that were lighted up at the 1st second. So it means that those 4 candles will be extinguished. So we have to subtract it here, because those 4 candles are no longer lighted up. So again we will have a total of 12 candles left here at the end of 4th second which will be lighted up. Similarly for the 5th second, again when we go there, then we have 12 candles already, so we can light up 4 other candles, right? And what are the number of candles that will be extinguished? So we know that 2 plus 3 equals to 5. It means that all those candles which we had lighted up at the 2nd second will get extinguished at the 5th second. So means at the 2nd second we again lighted up the 4 candles. So these 4 candles will get extinguished at the end of 5th second. So again we have 12 candles left here which are lighted up. So now at t equals to 5 seconds, the chef's girlfriend will arrive. So it means that we have to stop here. We need not go any further. And at the end of 5 seconds, we have 12 candles left which are lighted up. So what do we find out by exactly solving this? That for all those candles that were lighted up at the 0th second, they will get extinguished after 0 plus y seconds. For the first second, again they will get extinguished after 1 plus y seconds. For the second candle, for the second second, all those candles that were lighted up in the 2 seconds will be extinguished after 2 plus y seconds. So this will always be true. And how many candles will get extinguished? So always in all of these categories, every time x candles will get extinguished, right? Because for every second, we are always having a fixed number of candles that we are lighting up. So every time x candles are getting extinguished. So for the 0th second, it will be different. Here just one candle will get extinguished, but for the rest of them, x candles are getting extinguished. So what can we say about the solution? So you can see here that after y seconds, that is 1, 2, 3, y is equals to 3, right? So after y seconds, we have that a fixed number of candles are getting extinguished. And before these y seconds, we can see that the candles will not get extinguished apart from this one candle, which is fine because this was the initial candle that we already had. We did not light it up. So this is fine. We can ignore this. But we can all see that for the first y seconds, there are no candles that are getting extinguished. And after these y seconds, whatever candles have to get extinguished, they are getting extinguished. And also a fixed number of candles are getting extinguished, that is x number of candles per second. So what we can say is that if this extinguished condition was not there at all, then how many candles would have been lighted up by chef? So that we can easily find out, right? We know that for 5 seconds, the candles had to be lighted up. And for each second, we already know that x number of candles had to be lighted up. So that means T into x. Total number of T into x candles would have been lighted up if this extinguished condition would not have been there at all. Now the second thing is that since this extinguished conditions are there, so how many candles should we subtract from the total number of candles lit up such that we get the number of candles that are still lit up? So we have to find out that how many candles are getting extinguished. So for that, we have seen that for the first y seconds, there are no candles that are getting extinguished. And the total number of seconds for which we are lighting up the candles is t seconds. So that means we have to check that only for t minus y seconds, only these many number of candles will be there which will get extinguished. And how many candles are getting extinguished each second? So each second we know that x candles are getting extinguished. So what I'm saying is the expression that we can form for total number of candles that are getting lit up will be T into X, because T is the total number of seconds for which we are lighting up the candles per second, and per second X number of candles are getting lighted up. So T into X will be the total number of candles that will be lit up by chef. And from out of those all the candles that have been lit up, we have to remove the extinguished candles, right? So out of those t seconds that we have, we know that for the first y seconds, none of the candles are getting extinguished. So that is why we will subtract y from t. So we will get the number of seconds in which the candles are getting extinguished. Then we have to just multiply it by x, because we know that each second x number of candles are getting extinguished. So that way, if we subtract these two, then we will get the answer as to how many candles will be lit up at the end of t seconds. So let us solve this expression, t into x minus x into t minus y. So now on solving this expression, what will we get? So we are getting t into x minus x into t plus x into y. Now these two are exactly the same, so they will get cancelled out, and at the end we will be left with x into y. So this is our expression, this is our final expression that we need in order to solve our problem. So x into y will tell us the total number of candles that can be lit up. So let us check and see. In the previous example that we took, here x was equals to 4 and y was equals to 3. And if we do x into y, then we will get 4 into 3 equals to 12, which was our answer here as well. So I hope that you have understood this. Now there is one more thing. This answer or this expression that we found out, x into y, is only applicable in case t is greater than or equal to y. But what if t is less than y? It will be a different case. So let us see that. Now guys, this is the case where t is less than y. It means that before the first candle gets extinguished, the chef's girlfriend will arrive. It means that at t equals to 5 seconds, we can say that the first set of candles will be extinguished. But as you can see that at t equals to 3 seconds only, the chef girlfriends arrive, and we have to stop right here. We will not lit up more candles, and none of the candles will get extinguished up till 3 seconds. So that is why this case has to be taken different. Earlier what was happening, that we also had to count the number of candles that will get extinguished. But here, as we can see, as we have already established, that for the first 5 seconds, that for the first y seconds, no candles will be extinguished. This we have already established when we discussed the previous case, and this will be true always. So as you can see here that the first y seconds means the first 5 seconds none of the candles will get extinguished, and before that only at t equals to 3 seconds the chef's girlfriend has arrived. So that is why here our answer depends on only these t seconds. So each of the t seconds 1, 2 and 3, you can see that we are lighting up x number of candles. This 4 is x. So every time we are lighting up x number of candles for every second. So what we can say that t into x, these are the total number of candles that we will light up before the chef's girlfriend arrives. And also at the end of 3 seconds or at the end of t seconds, we will have one extra candle. One extra candle how? Because at the 0th second, we already had a pre-lit candle here. Chef had an already pre-lit candle here, which also will not be extinguished at the end of t seconds if t is less than y. So that is why t into x will be the number of candles that we will light up, and plus 1 an extra candle which was already lit up, which the chef already had. So these will be the total number of candles in case t is less than y. These will be the total number of candles that the chef will have at the end when his girlfriend arrives. So what we can say that if t is less than y, in case t is less than y, then our answer will be t into x plus 1. And in case t is greater than or equal to y, then in that case the answer will be x into y, as we have already established in the previous case. So guys, this was the problem. It was a pretty simple problem which included some observations in order to reach the solution. But there will be tougher problems that you might come across which you may not be able to solve. So in order to enhance your coding, you can always visit the Unacademy app, and there you can register yourself by using my coupon code Prachi16. And when you do register yourself, then you will have access to all of the free content that is available on the Unacademy app. There you will have a variety of basic and advanced courses which you can go through and try to understand how coding works. This will help you enhance your coding and also give you an insight that how you're supposed to practice in order to become a better coder. So do not forget to use my coupon code. And now let us go to the code of this problem. So guys, now I'll discuss the code in Python, but I urge you to do it on your own, and if you face any problem, then come back and check it out. So first, you can see in the first line, I have taken the input for the number of test cases as was given in the problem statement. Then we are running a loop. So this loop suggests that for every test case, we will have to solve the same problem that we just discussed. And for that, we need inputs to t, y, and x. Now, what is t, y, and x? You already know that. We have discussed this in the problem statement. So we have taken input for that as well. And after that, it was just a few conditions that we had to keep in mind in order to reach to the answer of this problem. So the first was that if t is greater than equal to y, meaning if the number of seconds at which the chef's girlfriend arrives is greater than the number of seconds in which the candle extinguishes, so then the answer will be x into y. So straight away we have printed the answer as x into y. Else, if t is less than y, else means if t is less than y, then in that case our answer is x into t plus 1. And how we have reached this answer, this we have already discussed during the discussion of the solution. So I hope that you have understand that well. Now here one more thing, that in the problem statement, the constraints to t, y, and x were given up to the range of 10 to the power 9, which is quite large. So if you're using some other programming languages, so do not forget to use long instead of int. So using int may not be feasible and your solution may not get accepted due to that reason. In Python, we do not have the concept of using data types, but in other programming languages, we do have to keep that in mind. So don't forget to use long here. So that's it guys, this was the problem, and if you've understood it, then do like the video, and if you have any doubts or feedback, then please post it in the comment section. If you do not understand anything, then also please post it in the comment section and we'll be very happy to help you. Also, don't forget to practice this problem on your own, because it is very important to keep on practicing if you want to enhance your coding practice. So you can also stay updated via our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below. So guys, do like the video and I'll see you in the next one.